Happy Friday, LAHS USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, April 21st, 2023. We can't believe it, but we are officially entering into the home stretch of the 2022-23 school year. Speaking of the home stretch, our LAHS Griffins baseball team this week had the opportunity to play under the lights of the Big A. Families packed the stands at Angel Stadium to cheer on our Griffins and watch them take a 9-0 victory over Esperanza. Also, this past Saturday, 75 Griffin baseball players volunteered to help out special needs players at the Cypress Challenger League. This is a yearly event and it is always such a special and amazing opportunity for our players. In other LAHS sports news, Los Alamitos High School held its Spring Athletic Signing Day event this week, which featured 26 student athletes signing national letters of intent to compete in college. During a lunchtime ceremony, the students gathered with friends, family, coaches, and teammates to honor their momentous occasion. Moving from sports to the arts, our LAHS Drama Department had a special visit from ABC 7 News this week to highlight the team of students who will be heading to the International Thespian Festival in Indiana later this summer. We couldn't be more proud of these talented students, and you can check out the full ABC News segment on the LAHS Drama Instagram page. In other news, open houses continued this week with our Rossmoor schools. Weaver, Hopkinson, Lee, and Rossmoor all opened their doors to welcome families for open house. Board members and district administration joined the community for what is one of our favorite times of the year. What a joy it was to walk classrooms and see all of the incredible work on display. From STEAM projects to self-portraits to new gardens and more, it was a beautiful night. Also this week, board and executive cabinet members made special stops to Weaver, LAE, and the district office to celebrate some of the district's longest-serving employees. 10 Weaver staff members, 13 LAE staff, and 12 district staff members were all celebrated for their dedication and longevity with the district. And last but certainly not least, this week our Sea Lions celebrated the many military families in our district with Week of the Military Child. If you aren't familiar, April is nationally recognized as Month of the Military Child. This week, McGaugh held various activities including spirit and dress-out days, displays from different arms of the military, and a special flag ceremony on Friday to honor McGaugh's over 150 military students. Well, that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.